Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice car vacuum. 30,000 PA, this guy. It's a lot of suction. We actually got a suction vacuum end on it here, which can easily be removed, which you're going to need to do if you're going to end up cleaning it out. They do send you with an extra one of those, which is a filter, which is nice that they send you an extra one, and the charger. They actually give you everything that you see here, which is quite a bit for a vacuum, because this thing not only sucks, it blows too. But I want to kind of show you briefly here. Inside, I'm going to go ahead and show you the blow feature of this, and then we'll go outside and show you the suction feature. This here has a nice digital display on here. I'll turn it on for you. It does have a nice light. It already blew my instruction guide off the edge. You see it's blowing that off right there. It's got a low and a high. Right now it's low. It's got a high. That's blowing out some good air. But if we want to blow out some real good air, we can go ahead and attach one of these attachments on here. If you're going to use this to pump up something, like pump up a kid's toy or something like that, they give you several different ends, different sizes and styles. You may recognize some of those little inflator ends on there, or this nice one here that allows you to kind of dust out in keyboards and things like that. But let me go ahead and show you the blow power of this thing here real quick. That's got a lot of blow. It's got a little bit of noise, but you know, for a blower that's got that 30,000 PA, that's going to be great. Now on the other side of this is the suction, and we're going to go outside. I'm going to show you that. Nice part about the suction side, especially if you're going to use this, a lot of people can use it in their car. They do have a light that comes on out there, and we'll show you that outside. But it's got these other additional nozzles that you can add for a flat. I'm going to be brushing off some flat surface, or I'm going to put in this crevice tool on here, and I already blew off the end of the other part of my crevice tool here. But it's got a brush on there, so that way you can put that on there, you can really brush and get some detail. So let's run out, very lightweight. Let's go try this out in the car. So now we are in the car. I've got this here. I'm going to turn it on. That light shines up. I'm going to turn it on high, even though I don't think I need it. We'll go ahead and show you. It's got a lot of suction, but even just coming down here sucking this stuff up, look at it go. That's going to suck up all kinds of nasty. Get all the crevices, get all the deep spots that you don't want to see. And then whenever you're done, we'll turn it off. You can simply go over to the trash. This part pops out of here. Nice micro mesh finish on there. And all your nasty is down in there, and you can easily just dump that out and then put it back, and you're ready to lock it in, ready to go for next time. So this is a great little vacuum, would work well in pretty much anyone's car.